With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
And the question says that assertion phenol is less acidic than benzoic acid. Reason phenoxide ion has less number of resonating structure than benzyl carboxylate ion. So in this question, two statements are given, assertion and its reason. We have to check whether this is true or not, right? So in option 8 is given phenol is less acidic than benzoic acid. So let us check. Basically, the acidity of an acid depends on the stability of its stability of its conjugate base. So acidity is directly proportional to the stability of its conjugate base. Conjugate base, right? So if we take phenol, phenol is benzene ring, and on benzene ring we have OH group. So when it will lose a proton, we get here phenoxide ion, O negative. This is phenoxide ion. Phenoxide ion. Right, so this is the conjugate base. Conjugate base of phenol. Now, this negative charge on phenoxide, in phenoxide ion, oxygen has a negative charge. So this negative charge is delocalized over the ring. So it will be resonance stabilized. So let us look at the resonating structure. Here we have O negative. So there will be basically 3 lone pairs on oxygen. So the electrons will be delocalized like this. So from here we get the resonating structure. Here we get negative charge and lone pair, double bond, double bond, double bond O, positive. Then this electron will transfer here and this bond break, and from here we get, now here double bond, here negative and electrons, and here double bond O, positive. Then these electron will transfer here and this bond break. So from here we get double bond. Now here we get double bond, and here negative charge with lone pair, and here double bond O, positive, and 2 lone pairs. Now when this electron transfer here, this bond break, and from here again we get double bond, and this double bond, and here we have O negative. Right. So these are the 5 resonating structure which are possible here. This is first, this is second, this is third, this is fourth, and this is fifth. Right. So now if we look at the benzoic acid, we have benzoic acid. This is benzene ring, and on benzene ring we have COOH group. So you can show it like this, C double bond O, OH. This is benzoic acid. So when it will lose a proton, here we get C6H5, here C double bond O, O negative. So this is benzoate ion, or you can say benzyl carboxylate ion. So this is conjugate base here. So if you look at the resonating structure of this carboxylate ion, so we have a negative charge on this electron, and there will be electron pair like this. So when it will transfer its electron here, this bond will break and we get the resonating structure CO negative, and here we get double bond O. Right. So as you can see, these are the only two possible structure in benzoate ion, first and second. Right. Now the difference is that if you see the phenoxide ion and if you see the structure second, third and fourth, which are intermediate structure, here negative charge is present on carbon atom. And we know that carbon is less electronegative, and negative charge on the atom which is less electronegative is not stable. So these three structures are not at all stable, so they will not contribute much to the resonating hybrid. And here we are getting only two structure, but these two structure are similar. These both two structures are similar, right? So the benzoate ion is very much stable in comparison to phenoxide ion, because in phenoxide ion the charge is delocalized in such a way that it is present in less electronegative atom, which is not stable, right? So phenoxide ion is less stable, and here benzoate ion is more stable. So here conjugate base is more stable. It means benzoic acid is more acidic in nature. So here it is given phenol is less acidic than benzoic acid. So this is true. In reason it is given phenoxide ion has less number of resonating structure than benzyl carboxylate ion. So this is false, because benzyl carboxylate ion has less resonating structures. So here the correct option will be assertion true and reason false, and it is given in option 3. If assertion is true statement but reason is false, then mark 3. Right, so here correct option will be option 3. So option 3 is the answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.